Arai ao nigo ritkoria rero bakora etaro gwika sense moye bunge ya mbere North Ase County ya Embu eriko korege ikaro amona basaye igatia barai baikirana ngamo no mokonyi bo murai bwense Professor Kithure Kindiki muwaziri w'abakorera bwa serikali Geoffrey Ruku mugavana bwa county eyo ya Embu Mheshimiwa Cecil Mbarire nigati ya bande habaro bosemya ko chia sabasaye kobeka bose kwebeka buya asenjirere ngiye yo chia kwegendereria na kokonyeka kurwase imiroberio ya serikali murikito Ishmael Mogere na roboti rwa senjira yo wekirana
Omokonyi bw'omurai bwense Professor Kithure Kindiki muwaziri w'abakoreri Geoffrey Ruku omugabara bwe county ya Embu Cecil Mbarire amo n'abarai bande nigo ritkoria rero bakoretaro gwikense moye bunge ya mbere North county ya Embu irigo korege karo amo n'abasaye boigo abarai au kurwe county eyo Kindiki niganchiranire buna abasaye nabwo kisiro ne chinguru chiensende yonsi.
Mimi nataka tuniseme mambo machache. Ya kwanza, unajua ya kwamba vijana ndio nguzo na ndio tegemeo la taifa lolote lile. Hakuna taifa inaweza songa mbele kama limewacha vijana nyuma. Young people all over the world, they are the engines of progress and development in any country. Na ndio agenda ya vijana inakuwa na umuhimu sana, because without young people no society, no country can progress.
Chingaki abasaye bagwesoki na kugania maunchirerio gokorekana imeyense Kindiki nigaboriri abasaye gokorabo wetere nchirere entoereru etari guturubanio morembe bwense.
What we request from our young people with a lot of respect is that as we process our input to our national development, as we add value to our leaders so that they can deliver better, we must do so as young people peacefully and not using violence. Because when we introduce violence, we will destroy the economy, we will destroy investment, and the job opportunities that could have been created, whether by the public sector or private sector, will be lost.
Irigosira na gukinia ebiegwa serikali nigo yachakira umuroberio bwo kwagacha chi academy che Chigosori ase chiskuru ase Kindiki aenekirie chi academy che Chigosori 32 chachakire kwagachwa na inde serikali ni chikwagache chinde 22.
For the first time, this government is the first government which has started to build sports academies in schools. Already 37 sports academies have started. We are going to roll out another 27 sports academies. We want to make sure eventually in the next 2 years, every constituency in Kenya has a sports academy to start developing the talent of our young people early.
Bosio bw'abachorio boke bw'omutienyi o11 Leonard Muriuki Mudende oyuru murwaniriri bwekere gukyobo bunge gwetere kiama kya UDA nigonera nyora ribaga ryo kweyakere koko ayamagega ya Geoffrey Ruku oyorengo mubunge bwensemeyo gochora buno mu waziri bw'abakoreri imeyense.
Nyinyi ndio champions wa youth empowerment. Tumesikia mambo ya digital hub. Mimi kitu ya kwanza nikichaguliwa kama mbunge, digital hubs Momenje, Ndawa, Evurore nitajenga. Hiyo ni sawa youth?
Ni sawa.
Kwa sababu mimi naelewa mambo ya mtandao, naelewa mambo ya digital, na hata saa hii Eshiara kuna wifi, Siakago kuna leo wifi na Kadhanja inaenda kuwekwa. Sio ni maneno mzuri?
Ginko reporter ya Ensoko TV, Rietariane Ishmael Mogere.